Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I created this soft glam look. This look is perfect for spring, it's perfect for summer, it's perfect for fall, it's perfect for every season, every occasion, it's perfect for beginners. It's just perfect. Okay, before we get into the tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe. Okay, are we recording? Yes we are. I'm gonna start off by priming my lids. I'm gonna be using the Plouise base, and this is Rumoour 3, and I'm just gonna put that on a flat brush, and I'm just gonna pat that onto my lids. I'm gonna go into my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I've had this palette sitting around for the longest time. It turns out I never actually used it. I actually forgot about it. So today we're gonna put it to work. I'm gonna start by using the brown. And I'm just gonna take that brown to my outer V. And I'm gonna slowly work it into the crease. I'm gonna switch brushes and switch palettes. I'm gonna use the Warrior by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be using Cano. It's a brown, but it's a little lighter than the first one from the Zulu palette. And I'm just gonna blend the first brown just lightly. I'm just gonna go back one more time into the Plouise base, just a tad bit. And I'm just gonna pat that onto my lid, and I'm just gonna define the area where I'm gonna apply my next color. It's not really a cut crease, but it kind of is. It's not a cut crease. I just want to define my lid, take off some of the brown color. Okay, we're ready to apply the next shadow. I'm gonna go into the Chocolates by Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna be using this nude peachy color here. I'll go back one more time into the brown from the Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna define this outer V. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mess. I'm just gonna quickly fix it. I'm just gonna take the brown lightly into the other shade, I guess. There are no names, guys. I kind of want, again, a gradient. I feel like I always say that in all my videos, but I think that's the technique I use. I like to have a gradient, like a light to dark. I feel like that really works with most eye shapes, and it certainly works flawlessly for me all the time. So I'm just gonna stick to it. A little bit into the crease as well. We're just redefining the eye. Guys, I'm gonna quickly go back into the Warrior palette, and I'm gonna use a Hosi, which is a nude. I'm just gonna cover up that peachy nude. I don't want the look to be so orangey, but for some reason this eyeshadow doesn't apply correctly. It doesn't look so good when I just apply it after putting on a primer. I don't know why, don't ask me. Now moving on, I'm gonna apply Morphe, which is like a goldish glitter shadow, and I'll just apply that to the center of my lid, just right here. Just gonna reapply this one real quick. It looks like it's faded. You say you love me, I'm gonna go back to the Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna reapply a little bit of the brown. We still need that gradient, guys. You can't lose it. It's important. I'm gonna use the same Ahosi, and I'll be applying that to my brow bone. We're gonna give it some life, give it some light, wake it up a little bit. And of course, you just wanna blend after that. Now, I'm gonna quickly move on to my under eye. I'm gonna start by priming. Yes, I said priming. We're gonna prime with the Plouise base again. And this will just make sure the under eye is, you know, just as vibrant, just as colorful as the top, okay? I'm gonna go into the same brown from the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna apply that just underneath my lower lash. Now you can certainly stop here, but I like to take it a little bit up a notch, add a little bit of spice. So I'm gonna go into my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit to my brush. I'm using an angled brush. Just want as little as possible. I'm gonna go back to the Warriors palette by JUVIAS Place, and I'm gonna apply the same Morphe, the one we have on the middle here. Just a little dab dab dab, and I'm just gonna tap that just under my, I don't know the name. I don't know the name. I don't know, I'm just drawing a huge blank today. My lower eyelid, just right underneath the lash line. If it's a little bit messy, you can just go back in with a small blending brush. Just blend that area out. I know I kind of look like a raccoon right now, but we're gonna fix it all up. For my inner tear duct, I'm gonna be using the highlighter. Actually, I'm gonna be using the Royalty one by JUVIAS Place. This highlighter is very pigmented, very shiny, very everything. So yeah, I think it'll be perfect for the inner tear duct, and maybe it could be the highlighter for today. You see that, guys? You see that? That was 3 taps. If you want people to see you from outer space, this is the highlighter for you. Okay. I'm just gonna go into my waterline with a brown pencil. This is my MAC Chestnut pencil. Just gives you a softer waterline, a softer look. You can definitely use a darker brown pencil. Unfortunately, I don't have any, and I don't want to use a black. No black liners will be used in this tutorial, I promise you. That way it's easier, especially for beginners. You know, we all struggle with eyeliners sometimes. I still do sometimes. So, you know, when you're first starting out, you can always start out with a brown pencil. So that's it for my eyes. I'm gonna quickly go off camera and apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, my lashes are on. I also decided to quickly contour my face off camera. I didn't do anything special, just the same old procedure. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be using my JUVIAS Place highlighter. This is the Royalty one. Oh my god, I got it everywhere here. A little bit goes a long way, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. And I like to take my highlighter just underneath my brow bone. I know I look a little bit crazy. I'm just gonna go in with the big fan brush and just diffuse the highlighter. So I'm gonna be using my Morphe blush palette, and I'll be applying Sexy and Driven, because I am sexy and driven. I'm gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna be creating the nude lip today. I'll be using my favorite MAC Chestnut pencil. For lipstick, I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty Unbutton lipstick. And for a little bit of gloss, I'm gonna be using my Morphe Frose lipstick. Okay guys, I almost forgot. I'm just gonna quickly apply some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And lastly, I'm just gonna spritz my face with the Morphe Sweet Peach. You guys know I love this setting spray. It smells so good. I think it's almost done. I just keep spraying it. Smells so good. And that's it guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. It's really as simple as can be and still as glamorous as you need it to be. So yeah, let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I got a whole lot more videos coming. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!